If you're wondering which is more affordable for your business, FreshBooks or Wave, this video breaks it down for you. Both are popular accounting tools, but there's more to the story when it comes to cost and value. By the end, I'll reveal a surprising alternative you might want to check out, so stick with me. Let's start with FreshBooks. FreshBooks is a full-featured accounting software aimed at small businesses. It's known for its user-friendly design and comprehensive invoicing features. However, when it comes to pricing, it's a bit on the higher side compared to Wave. FreshBooks has three pricing tiers: Light, Plus, and Premium, ranging from about $15 to $50 per month, depending on your needs. The catch is, the more you pay, the more features you unlock, like more billable clients and advanced reporting tools. But if you're just starting out or you only need basic accounting features, that's a lot to pay for. Next thing, let's talk about Wave. Wave is a free accounting software, and that might sound too good to be true, but it really isn't. For freelancers and small businesses with limited accounting needs, Wave is an amazing deal. The core features, including invoicing, accounting, and receipt scanning, come at no cost. There are paid features like credit card processing and payroll, but you can get by with the free version if you're looking for basic accounting services. So, when comparing affordability, Wave is definitely more budget-friendly, especially for smaller operations. Now, let's dive into some important differences. While Wave offers free core accounting tools, FreshBooks includes more specialized features, especially for businesses with complex invoicing and reporting needs. FreshBooks has a clear advantage in its more robust reporting, time tracking, and project management capabilities, which can be really helpful if you have a growing team or need to manage multiple clients. But of course, these perks come with a higher price tag. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. FreshBooks does an excellent job offering 24/7 support via email and phone. This is a huge plus if you're new to accounting software and need assistance. On the other hand, Wave, while offering a support team, doesn't provide as many direct ways to reach them. Their support is more limited to email and community forums, which could be a deal breaker if you're looking for more hands-on help. Next thing, integrations. FreshBooks shines in this area with a wide range of integrations to third-party apps and tools, which is perfect for growing businesses that need to connect their accounting software with other platforms like CRMs, time trackers, and payment systems. Wave, while it supports a decent number of integrations, falls behind FreshBooks in terms of variety. Lastly, FreshBooks can be expensive for smaller businesses. So if you're looking to scale with solid reporting and time tracking features, it's worth the investment. But if you're working with a tight budget and just need basic accounting services, Wave's free version might be all you need. Both FreshBooks and Wave are great options for different needs, but I've tested all of them, and if you're looking for a better alternative that offers simplicity, affordability, and powerful features without the heavy price tag of FreshBooks, I recommend checking out the link in the description for a free trial. This exclusive offer is only available to our viewers and could be the game changer you've been searching for.